Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you 4 different ways to create a new page in Notion. So the first way is to move your cursor up to the top left and click on the pencil and paper icon. And when you left click, it will create a new page in your private workspace. And we can label this page 1. When we were covering over it, we saw that Control N creates a new page. So that's the second way you can create a new page. And the third way is to go to private, go to the right, and click on add a page, the plus sign, and that will add a page. Now you can do the same for each page to add a page inside a page. So if I click this here, I'm actually going to get page 3-1. And the last method is to bring up the command bar slash type slash PAGE, left click, and that will create a new page. And that will only happen, create a page inside a page, so you can't create the master page, which acts like a folder. So hope that helps. Thank you.